hope you all are fine. Myself Akanksha, your art and craft teacher. So, today I am going to teach you, wait. Now you will only guess what I am going to teach you today. Okay, name that thing which you usually see in your living room. You don't know? Okay, let me give you one more hint. After a long day from work, you sit over it and feel relaxed and also watch TV. So children, I think now you have guessed. Our today's topic is sofa set, miniature sofa set. So children, for making this miniature sofa set, the material you will require any kind of paper. You can use chart paper, kite paper, glaze paper. But right now I am using this glaze paper and kite paper. Empty match boxes. You will require around 21 empty match boxes. Any waste box for making table. And glue, scissor and some basic stationeries. So let's start. Now our first step is we have to paste the match boxes like this. So with the help of glue I am pasting the match boxes. For making one chair of a sofa, we will require two pairs of this. Hold it tightly for some times. And now leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now like this we will make a centered sofa and we will use 3 match boxes. We have used 3 match boxes because it will be a center one and in this these are side chairs. Now this is a structure that you need to ready this type of one pair and this type of 2 pairs. This is 1 pair and same you have to make another one also, and this is unique, and this you have to make only 1 pair. This is 1 pair. Okay, this is for side sofa and this is for center one. So children, in first step we need this type of 4 and this type of 2. 2 match boxes pairs we required 4 and 3 match boxes pair we require 2, and this is for side sofa and this is for center sofa. So children, now it gets dry. अब ये सूख चुका है. Now we will do our wrapping. I am using this yellow paper for wrapping. वॉच दिस वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज आपका सारा रैपिंग का जो है आपको सेम स्टेप फॉलो करना है रैपिंग करते हुए, चाहे वो आपका 2 मैच बॉक्स का सेट हो, 3 मैच बॉक्स का सेट हो या ओनली 1 मैच बॉक्स को अगर आपको रैप करना है तो सेम वे है, आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो. सो एज यू कैन सी आई हैव मार्क द पेपर दैट हाउ दैट मुझे कितना पेपर रिक्वायर होगा. अब हम मैच बॉक्स को पेस्ट करेंगे. Place it center. Now apply glue on the side. Watch this step carefully, हाँ children. रैप करते टाइम आपको थोड़ा सा इसको टाइट रखना है पेपर को. यू नीड टू कीप दैट पेपर लिटिल टाइट. On the other side same thing, and now like this. So first mark the paper, that how much paper you will require for wrapping, and then start pasting. Okay, now we will cut the extra part, but you know na, you don't have to cut it. Take help from your parents. Okay, now we will cut the extra part from this side and from both the sides. Okay, now we will do this. Apply glue inside and now fold from both the sides like this. You can cut this extra part also. Now apply glue and fold it like this from one side, and same you will do from the other side. Okay, if it is waist, so you can cut this waist part also. Now same thing from other side also. Apply glue, fold it like this and cut the extra part. I've cut the extra part. Now I will apply glue and paste from both the sides. We have wrapped it like a gift wrapping. See, and children, see this step 2 times, but follow the same step in everything. That if you want to paste 3 match boxes or 2 match boxes, we will do the same. Now as you can see, it gets completely dry. Now we will do our pasting. You have to paste like this, so it will look like this. Okay. Now we will paste this also like this. You need to leave some space here. So you need to apply Fevicol on this area. Same thing we will do from other side. Gap should be same from both the sides, so that it will be a balanced. So you need to join like this. First you need to join yellow part and then the pink one. So children, after completing our sofas, now we will do center table part. Place this box and with the help of glue you need to paste apply glue on the side. Now same thing you will do from this side. Cut the extra parts, but for cutting take your parents' help. You need to fold it like this way, like we are doing when we wrapping our gift. Cut the extra part also and apply glue. Same thing you will do from this side. Fold it. Cut the extra parts. apply glue, paste from one side and from the other side too. We will stick one matchbox. Now to make a stand, we will wrap this also with the yellow paper. So as you can see, I have wrapped this. Now I will stick this like this. We are using it as a stand of a center table. Okay, so as I have done with all the steps, so as I have done with all my pasting work, and see how our miniature sofa looks. Looking pretty now. It is looking like an original one. So this is a complete set ready. And children, if you want to make it more beautiful or cute, so you can decorate it with the help of stones, bindi or whatever you want to do.
Hello everyone, myself Johnny. This is my house and today I want to show you my new sofa set. This is my new sofa set. How is it looking?
Daddy.
Hi Bunny, what happened?
Daddy, today I want to meet you with my friend.
Okay Bunny.
Come, Tweety. Hello everyone. Hello uncle.
Hello Tweety. How are you Tweety?
I am fine uncle. How are you?
I am also fine Tweety.
Tweety, meet my grandma. Hello grandma. Hello Tweety. How are you? I am fine grandma. How are you? I am also fine. Tweety, look my new sofa set. How's it? Bunny, it is so lovely. The color is very beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's move. Let's go to play. Daddy, we are going outside to play.
Okay Bunny. Bye Bunny.
Bye, Daddy. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to make this miniature sofa set. And we will meet in our next video. So till then, keep smiling, take care of yourself and bye-bye.